Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOn. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to share and use the location on WhatsApp. Friends, sometimes you need to send the location on WhatsApp. It could be live location or the current location, right? So how will send the live location and current location? So I'll show in this video in detail, my friends. So for this you have to go on your WhatsApp. After that you have to go on chats. Then you have to select the contact to whom you want to send the live location or the current location. Then my friends, if you use the iPhone, you will find the plus sign here. But if you use the Android phone, you have to tap on here. After tapping on plus sign or the here, you will find this location option, my friends. Just tap on the location and you have to turn on your internet, my friends, on that time. And you have to wait few seconds to accurate your current locations. After few seconds, simply you have to tap on here, send your current location to send to whom you want to send, right? Just tap on here and see, my friends, it has been sent, right? Now if you want to tap on here, see, my friends, that contacts, he or she will open this one, and after taking some times it will give you the direction, my friends. Then you have to tap on directions, then you have to tap on start, right? I have sent the locations and I have opened, that's why it was shown like that. But for that person, it not show like that. It will show the distance, right? So go back, my friends. So now you know how to send the current locations, but I'll show you how to send the live location, my friends. So for the iPhone, you have to tap on the plus sign, and for the Android, you have to tap on here, then tap on locations. You have to wait few seconds, and you will find at the top there is share live location, right? Just tap on here, share live location. And simply, my friends, you have to select here for how many minutes or for how many hours you want to send the live locations. If you want, you can select 8 hours, 1 hour and 15 minutes, right? So I want to send the location for 1 hour. After selecting 1 hour, you have to tap on send. After that, you will find like that. But if you want, you can stop sharing your live location anytime, my friends. For this, you have to tap on stop sharing. After tapping on stop sharing, you have to tap again on stop and your live location will be stopped. No one can track you on the time. So friends, like this, if you want, easily you can share your location, like current location or live location on WhatsApp. Friends, to know about the locations on WhatsApp, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.